welcome. Here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings to open them. And here at the first place we have watermark option, so let's pick it. Now we can add to our picture 3 types of watermarks: the timestamp on photos, device watermark and the custom. By using these 2 buttons we can turn on and off the 2 of them, so as you can see we can add only 1 of them or both at the same time. And the custom, without the device is locked, so we have to keep this turned on if we want to use the custom. When we tap here now, we can add our own watermark, for example HardReset. Now we have to save it here, and this is how they look like all turned on. So let me keep it like that and let's move back to camera to take a picture. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how my photo looks like with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE device watermark with HardReset custom one, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course when we don't need them we have to move back to camera, then to right corner settings, left one, watermark, and manage this as we need or just turn them off. That's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.